The Structure of Inquiry. This book unfolds in 5 parts, each expanding our understanding of existence from different perspectives. Part 1, Religion, Society, Cognition. This section lays the foundation for understanding human thought and its limitations. The flexibility of the mind. I have chosen to write for a young audience because they are the architects how of cognitive biases and societal in their hands lies the power to resist misinformation. The role of philosophy and science in truth-seeking is examined, challenging the idea that intellectual stagnation is inevitable. Part 2, The Raw Philosophy. Here, we take a deep dive into the fundamental nature of existence. What is an entity? How do things emerge? Can we define nothingness? The discussion moves from Aristotle's causality to modern concepts of energy, matter, time, and chaos. The idea that existence is fundamentally an emergent phenomenon is explored, proposing that identity itself is a dynamic construct rather than a static property. Part 3, Philosophy of Biological Existence. This section focuses on life as an emergent process. What are the necessary conditions for life? How does genetic information encode the logic of biological existence? Change is presented as an inevitable and intrinsic feature of life, governed by principles that dictate stability, mutation, and evolution. Here, we also propose a novel interpretation of recombination, arguing that it serves a stabilizing function rather than a purely diversifying one. Part 4, The Genesis and Diversity. The origins of life and the mechanisms of biological complexity are dissected in this section. The emergence of prokaryotes, eukaryotes, and multicellularity is examined within the broader framework of existence. Evolution is not just a mechanism of change, but a manifestation of deeper existential principles. The design of life, from viruses to humans, is analyzed in a way that emphasizes the universal logic of existence. Part 5, The Objective of Life and Humans. Finally, the discussion turns to human existence. Are we merely another biological entity, or is there a unique trajectory that sets us apart? The role of intelligence, society, and identity in shaping our evolutionary path is explored. The book culminates in a profound question: does life have an objective? If evolution has a direction, is it towards prolonged existence?